Hi guys. So ito na nga, due to public demand, maglagay daw ako ng voiceover sa aking mga Excel videos. Half na yan, ayoko nga sana kasi nahiya ako but saka mas nakakapagod siya mag-edit. But since andito na din naman, let me just try. So let's go to full name and then Control plus T. Then make sure lang na yung my table has headers is naka-check because yan yung magiging source of data natin. So click on OK and then go to data from table or range and then mapupunta tayo sa Power Query Editor. And as you can see, yung hire date natin is meron siyang month or meron siyang date at meron din siyang time. But what we need is yung date only. We don't need the time. So go to transform, then go to date, and then click on date only. Alright? So meron na tayong date. And if you want to know ilang years na nagstay yung mga employees sa company, go to add column, then go to date, and then age. Okay? And then as you can see, yung new column natin which is age is naka hours format ata do. So we need the number of years. So let's go to transform and then duration, then click on total years. There you go. Yung first employee natin is naka more than 16 years na. Right, so how to identify if an employee is eligible for an incentive? Let's go to add column, then conditional column, then rename lang natin to. Wrong spelling pa. Eligibility status. There you go. So first, if, kung nakikita nyo to, if column age, which is ito yon, yung column age is greater than or equal to 3 or 3 years based on sa criteria natin. If column age is greater than or equal to number 3, then kailangan yung mag-appear is word eligible. If not, then not eligible. Then click on OK. There you go. So meron na tayong mga eligible employees and not eligible. Go to home tab, then close and load to. Then select table, existing worksheet, tapos lagay mo lang dito kung saan mo siya gustong ilagay, kung saan mo trip. Alright, then click OK. There you go. So meron na tayong mga eligible and not eligible na employees. Basic, di ba? Ngayon, alam niyo na kung paano gumamit ng conditional formatting using Microsoft Excel Power Query Editor, which is actually a basic automation din. For example, yung first employee natin, nagkaroon ng error sa hire date niya. Dapat dito is 2020. So, sa second table, dapat maging not eligible to because the hire date is less than 3 years. Okay, so go to data, then refresh all. There you go. Not eligible. Basic, di ba?